Hello everyone. So today is 18th of January, and as we talked about yesterday, that is more fall is going to come. And today we had almost a 150 points gap down, and after that, like market started going down. But the next support was at 21,238. But from 21,300, it took support and then went up, and then concentrated around a little bit at the last hour. But the thing is that, yes, talking about bank nifty as well, so the main question is are we going to see further fall, or market is going to reverse? So we are going to answer that. And yes, so talking about bank nifty again, bank nifty today no major activities were there, so it went up and got resistance at one of our line of controls, 46,101, and then again came down and took support at the other line of control, 45,466. Talking about fin nifty again, fin nifty, as you know, like it just gets activated before the expiry, otherwise it's like almost yes, it moves, but the major activity starts before the expiry. So even to talking about fin nifty, our 20,393 level, so it concentrated mostly at around that level, and the next zone is at 20,101, and then 19,906, and so on. So talking about on the 1 day chart, so yeah, so if Nifty is retracing, so at least it should retrace to 38.2%, which is at around 20,856. Okay, 20,856, as you can see here. So that is one of the crucial levels, as we have also previously drawn our level of support at 20,867, which is near to that. So that's the main that's the main one of the main support zone near time. And let's talk about again bank nifty. So talking about bank nifty, so if bank nifty makes a retracement of 38.2%, so it's going to come near around 44,652. Okay, so but yeah, so we have our one of the line of controls here as well, but it's getting very clumsy in the diagram. But if it retrace around 50%, so then it's going to come at around 43,725. Okay, so now let's talk about fin nifty. So let's go to the 1 day chart. Okay, so fin nifty, if it 38.2 is at 19,965. Okay, and 50% retracement is at 19,478. And so majorly I trade in nifty, and so this is like I'm looking forward to 20,856. Now I'll also say why, the data points and so on. So let's talk about the other data points. So if FIIs are continuously selling something, they know that we don't, so they are continuously selling. Like yesterday also more than $1 billion, and today also more than $1 billion of sale. So this is something serious, and they are not only doing this, they are also selling in options and futures as well. Okay, so let's go and check there. So let's check the EOD data. So if you can see here, that is Propdex and FIs, they have both done futures long future short positions, and they are taking heavy future short positions. Now you'll suddenly see that things have changed, that is future short positions are more than future long positions. Okay, so for a very long time futures long positions were dominating, but suddenly future short positions have started dominating. And then for the Propdex also, they are heavily shorted in the futures. Talking about the overall data, so you on usually on Thursdays you won't see this much of data. Like go and look back. So you see, just look at the number of amount of call writing positions that the Propdex are carrying forward. And FIIs are usually like carry less than this position, but look at the amount of Propdex. Like Propdex have heavily shorted. the indices. Okay, so talking about the overall positions in the January month. So if you look at the call put buying, so the put buying is this quantity and put writing is this. So put writing is almost nil. I mean, they have huge put writing, put buying quantity. So the FIIs, and they have also like I would rather call this as call writing. I think they have bought some of the calls because to hedge their future short positions. Okay, so talking about prop decks in the month of January, they haven't like taken any put writing. Overall, there is no put writing from them. A little bit of put buying is there, but huge call writing positions are there, huge. Okay, so they are mainly concentrating on the call writing side and not the put buying side. But yeah, put suddenly like they can buy puts even in during the intraday. Talking about few FIIs, they are concentrating mainly on the future short side, but in options for now they are like concentrating mostly on the put buying side. Okay, so overall data is bearish, and fresh short positions are being created in the futures and options. And also coming to 25th January, the final month series of this month. So if you can see, even at 21,400 as well, some in the money put writers are present there. And so be careful about that. And let's go and check for Bank Nifty as well. So talking about Bank Nifty as well, so 46,000 is like can give some resistance, and talking about further up, so 47,100 can give resistance, but I don't think that Bank Nifty would come that up. But yeah, so talking about finally 47,000 or above would be a safe haven for the call writers, because here the call writers are mainly concentrating. Okay, and let's go to FinNifty, because we have FinNifty on 23rd January as well. So but for FinNifty, the monthly expiry is on 30th January, so note that down. And for Bank Nifty, we have again on 25th. So this Wednesday we won't have Bank Nifty expiry separately. So talking about FinNifty expiry, so let's look at the 23rd FinNifty expiry. So even you will see that in FinNifty we have a little bit concentration in the money of the call writers. And look at here the put side, it's like totally closing. Okay, so put side is looking very very weak. And if you look at even the PCR ratio is like very very bearish. So any day things might fall. So I have taken some bearish positions, and as positional, so which I'm not going to reveal now. So yeah, so they have been shared with the members. But the thing is that yes, so data is bearish now. Even like tomorrow it might try to go up and concentrate, because if it has to fall that much, then it will fall in one day. So one day is required for the fall, and that will happen suddenly. Okay, so these type of falls won't show you much sign. Suppose like here also this fall, when it happened on that day, the VIX was decreasing. Okay, while usually VIX should increase, India VIX was decreasing. So no one can say usually on those days signs don't appear. Okay, very much the fall, or maybe a gap down, huge gap down can occur. Because if you saw the last 2 days, market came down so much. But if you are an intraday player, then uh, you don't get much opportunity like after such a gap down. Okay, so even yesterday also the market came down during the day, but in the very initial hour the market shot up first. Okay, so that's why after usually huge gap downs, it's very risky to trade. And that's the point. Either it could be a gap down, or suddenly one day it could just give a sharp selling. So in any ways, FI is a selling, and we should be careful. And I've talked about the next levels, and that's my analysis. Thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.